using the FreeStyle LibreLink app with a Samsung or other Android device. The menu on the FreeStyle LibreLink app is accessible through a button located at the top left of the screen. This is called the Navigate Up button. The menu contains the following items listed in order: your name or the name of the registered user. Home. This will take you back to the main screen of the app, where you can scan your sensor and take a reading. Logbook. This will give you a list of scans you have taken during the day, and is where you can add notes about your day, such as what food you are eating, amounts of insulin administered and exercise, as well as any other notes you feel relevant. Alarms. This is where you can set alarms to warn you of low glucose events, high glucose events, or a signal loss alarm, which notifies you when the app has lost connection with the sensor. The use of alarms is detailed in another resource. Reports. This is a section header. The following reports are available. Daily patterns. This displays a graph showing average glucose levels for the past 7, 14, 30 or 90 days. Time in range. This displays a graph showing the percentage of time spent in, above or below your target range over the past 7, 14, 30 or 90 days. Low glucose events. This displays a graph indicating the number and time period in which low glucose events occurred. Although the information displayed is primarily graphical, the screen reader will read out the total events for the period. Again, this is available over the last 7, 14, 30 and 90 days. Average glucose. This displays a graph indicating your average glucose reading broken down by time period. Although the information displayed is primarily graphical, the screen reader will read out the overall average for the period. Again, this is available over the last 7, 14, 30 and 90 days. Daily graph. This displays a graph tracing your glucose measurements day by day. Estimated A1C. This displays an estimated A1C value measured over the last 90 days. Sensor usage. This displays some statistics on how many scans you have done over the last 7, 14, 30 or 90 days. It will also tell you average scans per day and the percentage of sensor data that has been captured by the app. The next item on the menu is Order Sensors. This will take you to the FreeStyle Libre website, where you can order more sensors if you self-fund. Reminders. This will allow you to set reminders to scan the sensor, or any other reminders you find helpful. Connected apps. This allows you to connect your FreeStyle LibreLink with healthcare professionals and/or family, friends or other caregivers. The use of this is detailed in another resource. It is worth noting that there are additional menu items accessible through the More Options button on the top right of the screen. This will bring up a menu that contains the following. App Settings. This will allow you to change settings, like units of measure, as well as turning on the app-based text-to-speech. Account settings and account password. Help. This gives you access to a range of topics for help on how to use the device and the app. About. This displays information about the app. A note on troubleshooting. If the app is not responding in the way you expect, there may be a pop-up error message on the screen. For Android users, these should appear in the middle of the screen. Once you have cleared these messages, the app should operate as normal. You're all set. We hope you enjoy your experience with the FreeStyle Libre 2 system. For more information or support, contact our customer care line on 0800 170 1177.
The information provided is not intended to be used for medical diagnosis or treatment or as a substitute for professional medical advice. Please consult your physician or qualified health provider regarding your condition and appropriate medical treatment. Individual symptoms, situations, and circumstances may vary.